Have you seen how the skin looks? Have you seen how it's glowing, how it's looking plump and shiny, and how it's giving radiant skin? Guys, how this skin was achieved was only by one thing, which is called hydration. Hello and welcome back again to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about hydration, everything you need to know about hydration, importance of hydration, and every single detail that hydration actually is about. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and also leave your comment. Now, when it comes to hydration, what exactly is this hydration? I'm sure you saw the video I posted in the beginning of this video, or rather the intro. Well guys, that skin that you see there wasn't just achieved alone by using active skincare products, but also achieved by using hydrating skincare products. Yes, you see, this thing we call hydration has not been emphasized enough, because most people feel like, oh, the only way in which you can achieve a good skin is only when you make use of actives, making use of your retinol, your AHA, your BHAs, and all these your regular actives. Guys, those things are good, okay, but the thing is that hydration is not spoken about enough. Hydration is really good for the skin, okay. Now, all those things, okay, all those products, all those ingredients are really good. They are good for the skin. They can help the skin look good and all, but they can help to get rid of hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and all. But if you want your skin to glow, okay, and you want those things to work properly well for your skin, you also need to infuse hydration in your skincare routine. Yes, you need to infuse hydration in your skincare routine. Everything is not about actives alone. Everything is not about exfoliation. You also need to hydrate your skin. Now, why should you hydrate your skin? You need to hydrate your skin, number one, because when you hydrate your skin, you are going to be protecting your skin's barrier. Yes. Now, using so many skincare actives or rather actives can actually cause or weaken your skin's barrier. And one way in which you can actually maintain your skin's barrier, or rather help your skin's barrier not to get damaged, is by hydrating the skin. Now, this hydration will help to lock in moisture into the skin, which will help to protect your skin's barrier from getting damaged. Okay, so this is very important. Number one, like I said, is going to help to protect your skin's barrier. So guys, when you over exfoliate your skin, because you know that your retinols, your AHAs, and your BHAs, they are also exfoliants. So now when you actually use too many of these things, it could weaken your skin's barrier. That is why it is very good to hydrate your skin, because when you infuse hydrating skincare products into your skin, it's going to help to protect your skin's barrier from getting damaged. Now, the second reason why you need to hydrate your skin is because it's going to help your skin's elasticity. Yes. Now, you might wonder why you are using your retinols and your anti-aging products and still you're still having fine lines, wrinkles, and you're aging quickly. Now, the thing is because you're not hydrating your skin. When you hydrate your skin, you tend to help to increase your skin's elasticity. Now, why you actually age is because your skin elasticity is reducing, okay, is decreasing. Now, how you can actually increase your skin's elasticity and help you stay younger and help you age backwards is by hydration. Now, this is another important thing. Hydration is very good when it comes to your skin's elasticity. Hydration is very good. Now, the third reason why you need to hydrate your skin is because it's going to help to control oil production. Now, this brings me to saying that hydration is not only for people with dry skin. I know most people might feel like, oh, only people with dry skin suffer from dehydration. That is a lie, because people that other skin types also suffer from dehydration. Okay, just that for dry skin types, it tends to be more obvious and it tends to really show a lot, because your skin tends to look dull and flaky. But other skin types also suffers from dehydration. If you have an oily skin or an acne prone skin, you can also suffer from dehydration, because I know most people feel like, oh, dehydration is only prone to people with dry skin. Guys, see, if you are oily, or you have an oily skin or an acne prone skin or a combination skin, you can also suffer from dehydration. Yes, you can also suffer from dehydration, because when you do not have enough hydration on in your skin tends to produce so much oil. It tends to overproduce oil, which could actually cause you breakouts. Now this overproduction of oil from your sebum could actually cause you breakouts. Now this is why you have breakouts, because you're not hydrating your skin. When you hydrate your skin will now realize that, okay, there is an hydration in the skin, so we don't have to produce so much oil, so the oil production is being balanced. So even if you have an oily skin or an acne prone skin, you need to also hydrate your skin. Okay, and a good skincare hydrating ingredients you need to look out for when getting skincare products are: number one is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is very good. The second one is ceramide. The third one is glycerin, and the fourth and the first, which is the last but not the least, is your aloe vera. So these are the 4 key ingredients you need to look out for when getting hydrating products. Okay, now how can you hydrate your skin, or that balance hydration and also using your skincare actives? Well, I'm going to be showing you guys that in this video. I'm going to be telling you guys how you can still infuse hydrating products and still include your actives in your skincare routine at the same time. Okay, now it is advised for you to hydrate your skin in the daytime. Like when it comes to daytime, focus on hydration and leave your actives for the nighttime. Okay, now when you hydrate your skin, all those water that was lost at night, but when you used your actives, all those water, all those hydration that was lost, because at times most actives cause dehydration. Okay, they cause dehydration. So now all those hydration that was lost during the nighttime, during the period when you're using your actives, will be restored back in the daytime when you hydrate your skin. So it is advised that in the daytime you focus more on hydration, you focus more on hydrating your skin to help to repair, or rather gain the lost moisture that was lost in your skin at night when you were making use of your actives. Okay, now how can you infuse it, or rather how can you hydrate your skin and still make use of your actives at the same time? Now I'm going to be giving you guys products in each step of the routine that you can actually make use of, that are really good hydrating products. So now when it comes to cleansers, you want to go in for gentle cleansers that will not strip your skin of its natural oil. Okay, you don't want to use cleansers that will make your skin feel so tight and make your skin feel so dry and tight. No, you want to go in for simple cleansers. Now that brings me to saying, guys, that number 1 product is the Simple Hydrating Cleanser. Yes, the Simple brand has an hydrating cleanser you can actually use and will be good for your skin. Now the second cleanser I'm going to be talking about is the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. Now the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser is really good. Like you all know, the CeraVe brand is actually a very good brand, so you can actually try out their hydrating cleanser. Now the third cleanser on my list is the Face Fact Hydrating Cleanser. Now this cleanser contains ceramide, which is a very good hydrating product that will help to protect your skin barrier, or rather repair your skin's barrier. Now the second thing you want to go in for in your skincare routine is using your toners. So the toner I'm going to be recommending is the one from the Bold Traditional, rather I would say is the glycerin and rose water toner. Now this toner is really good. It's going to help to hydrate your skin and also leave your skin feeling fresh. Yes. Now another toner is the one from the Simple brand. The Simple Hydrating Toner is another very good toner you can actually try out. Now the CeraVe brand also has their own toner you can also try out as well. Okay, when it comes to serums, number 1 serum I'm going to be recommending is one from the Ordinary brand. It's called the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Yes, hyaluronic acid serums are very good at your go-to hydrating serums that you need in your skincare routine. Okay, now the one from the Ordinary brand is very good. Now another hyaluronic acid serum is the one from the Balance Active brand. Now that one has a very good that brand has a very good hyaluronic acid serum. Now if you're on a budget and you don't have so much money to spend and you're also looking out to hydrate your skin, well, the Paime brand also has its own hyaluronic acid serum as well. Okay, now there is this serum, or shall I call it an essence, that is also really good. It's called the Advanced Snail Mucin Serum. Yes, now when it comes to hydration, this should be your go-to. serum. Like, it is really really good. Trust me, guys. This advanced snail mucin serum is a serum that I will say, if you're suffering from dehydration, guys, run and buy the serum. It is very good. It is a very good serum that you need to try out, okay, in your skincare routine. So when it comes to moisturizers, you want to go in for a hydrating moisturizer. Now, one that I'm going to talk about is the Aveno moisturizer. You see, Aveno is a very good brand when it comes to hydration. It contains ingredients like oats, and oats is very good for people who have sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin and you're looking to hydrate your skin, go and get the Aveno face moisturizer. Now, the second brand is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel. You see, this one, it is very good. You guys need to go in for this one. You guys need to get this one. This one contains hyaluronic acid, which will help to moisturize your skin and bring in that hydration back into your skin. Now, another moisturizer is the one from the CeraVe. The CeraVe moisturizer is another one that is very good. Now, another one is from Face Facts. Now, you see, Face Facts, they have a very good moisturizer, so you guys need to get that one. Face Facts moisturizer is very good as well. Now, when it comes to sunscreens, okay, sunscreens that you guys need to try out, we have the one from Bio UV, we have the one from the La Roche-Posay, we have the Black Girl sunscreen, we have the Skin Aqua sunscreen. I see all the sunscreens I've listed out, they will not leave your skin to white cast, and they would also help to protect you from the sun, to give you maximum protection from the sun. Now, if you haven't watched my video on sunscreens, you guys need to watch it out. I'm going to leave a link to that video down on the description box for you guys to check it out, okay? Now, when it comes to nighttime skincare routine and you want to also hydrate your skin at the same time, you want to make use of your actives, well, that's fine, okay? That is fine. What you need to do is make sure that your moisturizer is there. You're using a very good hydrating moisturizer. Maybe one of the moisturizers are actually listed out. You can actually make use of them. And if you're someone with an oily skin, you want to go in for moisturizers that are not so, you want to go in for gentle, you want to go in for lightweight moisturizers, okay? You will not want to make use of heavyweight moisturizers. You want to go in with lightweight moisturizers like the one from the Simple brand. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what you feel about this video, and also let me know what you think about hydration, okay? And guys, we've hit 400 subscribers. It took us a while, but guys, we have hit 400 subscribers, and I'm super excited. So guys, keep the subscription coming, and I really appreciate. And don't forget to also like this video and leave your comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.